highlighting the need for structural reforms, policy interventions, and enhance economic resilience and competitiveness. South Africa's economic performance over the past 3 decades, compared to global growth trends, reflect a nation facing structural and systematic challenges. Prolonged periods of low growth, low GDP growth, high unemployment, and increasing financial stress amongst households are not just macroeconomic statistics. They are the lived reality of your clients. 60% of financial advisors cite economic instability, political risk, and client immigration as top concerns. Yet only 43% of South Africans are using financial advisors. Fortunately, this figure is slightly up from the previous year where it was 39%, which does indicate rising demand. But let's face it, South Africa is hurting. Growth is lagging. Unemployment is rising. Clients are stressed and stretched and slipping through the cracks. Yet, this is your moment. As financial advisors, healthcare brokers, or wellness consultants, you are part of the solution. Clients are burning out. Employers are battling to stay productive. The public sector can't carry the load alone. This is not just a crisis. This is your calling. So let's have a look over the last 50 years. We see a staggering 547 billion rand being spent annually on healthcare in South Africa. That's obviously public and private combined, according to the 2022-23 fiscal year. However, we learned that the unaddressed mental health issues, that's in other words, absenteeism, presenteeism, and premature mortality, is an estimated cost to the economy of 161 billion per year, according to the Stellenbosch Business School research released in 2024. So healthcare brokers and wellness advocates ask, why is only 16% of the South African population covered by private healthcare, illustrating accessibility gaps? And then the US Chamber of Commerce Global Health Report indicates that the portion of South Africa's GDP lost to ill health, again, that's absenteeism, presenteeism, and early retirement, is projected to rise from 6% to 7% by 2030. No wonder we all complain about regulatory pressure, limited product offerings, and value blind spots, and of course, lack of purpose.